Ogo, this one that you came to my house this morning, I hope all is well.
I just came to advise you.
Concerning what?
Concerning came your love.
What about it?
It's better you say it came your present condition.
See, Ogo, see, I don't want to tell him about it.
Why?
I love Ikem very much. If I should tell him about it, I'm having this feeling that he's going to break up with me. I don't want.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, now if you say so.
See, Ogo, promise me you won't tell him.
No, I won't tell you.
See, I really love Ikem. Please don't tell him, okay? You know you're my very good friend.
Yeah.
Alright, thank you. Thanks for coming. So how is the family?
My family is fine.
How is everything?
We are fine.
Alright, thanks for coming. I was just feeling lonely. Thank you for keeping me company.
Sochima! Hey, Jesus Christ! No. Sochima! Hey! I told Emeka to look after this girl. Emeka! 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 Jesus Christ! Oh. Baby, don't leave me. I will take care of you. Emeka! I told Emeka to look after this girl. Oh. I'm sorry, I'm coming.
What did you do to me? I will leave you. I will never leave you. I swear not to ever make me to leave you.
Kim, I love you very much.
I know you love me. It's when you're sounding like this, like you're keeping something from me.
No, I'm not keeping anything. You know you're the first guy I've ever met.
Are you sure? Alright, I'll not leave you, no? So tell me, have you eaten?
Yeah, I've eaten.
What did you eat?
I ate rice.
Rice?
Yeah, it's Auntie Nina that prepared it before she left me.
So where's my own?
It's finished now.
I'm just joking. No? Don't worry, don't think much. Okay.
Emeka.
Sochi. I told you this, but you kept adamant. Why is it that you don't want to tell Ikem about this sickness? There is something I am not understanding. Let me ask you. One, being epileptic, is it a sin?
No.
Tell me the reason why you don't want to have it.
But Emeka, I love Ikem very much. I cannot afford to lose him. I can't even look at him in the eyes and tell him that I am epileptic. I can't.
Sochi, shut up your mouth. You are still a baby. You can hear the fowls. They are even against you. Ikem is my fellow man, and I know how men behave. If you don't tell him this and he gets to know about it, that is when you will see the devil in him. Sochi,
Yes, Emeka.
try and tell him. If he loves you, fine. If he doesn't, may God take his glory. Listen, you cannot force him to do what he don't ordinarily want to do. I have said my own. I have said my own.
God, what do I do now? Emeka, my brother, told me to tell Ikem my love about the illness. Oga also told me to open up to him, but I can't, because if I do, Ikem will definitely leave me. He will break up with me. I cannot afford to lose him. I can't. God, please help me. I love Ikem very much. I won't tell him. I can't tell him.
Sochi! Ma!
Yes, Emeka. Emeka, good morning. Where are you going to now?
I want to go to the pharmacy to get your drugs. Okay?
Okay.
Where are you going with this basket at home?
Okay, Okay, I want to go and finish up the work I started now. Fine, let me finish the reading. It's many small.
Are you crazy?
No, I'm fine.
Why can't you be merciful to yourself? Why? Listen, you know your health condition.
Remeka, does my health condition keep me from doing any work I want to do?
I've told you, if you want to do anything in this house, I will tell you what to do and what not to do. Now, get in with this basket and hoe.
Let me just, it's many small.
I don't want to argue with you. Get inside with this basket and hoe before I lose my anger. Get out! I said get in! You shouldn't be silly.
Sochima! Hi. Sochima! What the villagers hear I'm calling Sochima? Sochima! Eh? What's the meaning of this? Oh, what's that this girl feeling? She knows she's not feeling well. Sochima! Ah. Where should I start looking for this girl? Eh? What's the meaning of this? This girl should stay one place. She's not feeling well.
Sochi! Come and take the medicine! Where is this girl? I told this girl not to go out of this house. What is wrong with this girl? Sochi! What do I do?
Sochima! She will not kill me. She will not kill me at all. Sochima! 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 Why did you say this girl anywhere now? Jesus Christ! Hey, Sochima! Oh! Sochima! Hey! I won't even get able to allow this girl out! Sochima! Jesus! Somebody should help me! Sochima! Hey! Someone should help me! Someone should help me! My sister! Oh! Sochima! I won't even get able to allow you to come out! No, what you're doing here! Sochima! 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 Stay with me! Sochima! Someone should help me! Oh! Someone help me! Oh! Sochima! 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 Hey, Jesus! Oh, I won't make an effort to allow you to come out. I don't know what you're doing here. Somebody should help me! Help me! Help! Oh! Hi! Sochima! Sochima! Okay, let me take you home. Someone should help me! Sochima! Someone should help me! Oh! Someone should help me! Someone help! Oh! Help! Help! Hi! Jesus! Oh! Sochima! 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 Sorry! Sochima! Sorry! Oh! Someone should help me! Someone should help me! Help me! Oh! Help you! My sister! My sister! Oh! Someone should help me! Help me! Oh! Help me!
I am Ruby Ojiako, Nollywood actress. Keep watching Lampstaketv. Always subscribe to Lampstaketv. It's the bomb. It's the best. Lampstaketv. Watch it.